Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use an adapter like this one to convert your wired Android Auto or wired Apple CarPlay into a wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So as simple as plugging in the adapter, connecting your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, you're able to get that wireless action of your iPhone or Android based phone onto your head unit. Massive thank you to FBINSE for sending us this product. We're going to be testing it on a Toyota Kluger and also on an aftermarket Sony doubled-in head unit. So you'll be able to see the Android Auto and the Apple CarPlay in action. If you guys use the code FMG10, you'll get 10% off this purchase. So from $30 down to $27. I'll leave it in the description. To all the new viewers and the returning viewers, welcome, and let's get straight into this video. So this product was sent to us to test and review and give our feedback. It was a sponsored product, but we will, however, give it the will I buy it for my wife review at the end. So opening up the package, we see the unit and two included USB cables. So the cables both have USB-C on one side and the other has the standard USB-A. So depending on what version you need for your car, these are two of the most common cables and connections that most cars take. Now it's very important to keep in mind that this adapter will not give your car Apple CarPlay if you don't already have it installed in your car. This adapter will actually convert a already fitted Apple CarPlay that you normally have to use your USB cable, and instead you're going to plug this adapter into that same USB point, and it's then going to actually convert the system into a wireless signal for your phone. So that way you don't need to plug your phone in anymore. So as simple as plugging in the adapter to the USB point, opening up the Wi-Fi settings, putting in the password 12345678, clicking join, and then after a few moments on this iPhone here in this case, we're able to see that the Wi-Fi has been accepted and has connected. And we're then able to jump straight onto the Apple CarPlay. As easy as that. You just need to make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, and that way the system of your phone can connect to the adapter, and it's going to transmit that wireless Apple CarPlay to the USB point of your car. So as easy as that, we're able to get that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi action together, giving us the Apple CarPlay onto the head unit of this Toyota Kluger. Being so small, you can hide the adapter away and out of sight, so that way you don't have any more, cables dangling around everywhere, and multiple phones can connect to this unit as well, which is really, really awesome. The best thing is that none of the actual usage of the Apple CarPlay system is delayed or lagged. As we can see, we're jumping through a few different things, such as music playback, testing that the car's functions in terms of the steering wheel controls for the volume are still going as normal. So really an excellent way to be able to transmit the Apple CarPlay to the car without lagging issues. Okay, so we've turned the car off and made sure that the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi of the phone have been disconnected from the dongle. And now we can see in real time, turning the car on, having the original head unit turn on. After a few moments, the phone's Wi-Fi automatically on its own connects to the dongle, and then we get the first signs of the connection on the screen. So a little alert pops up. Once we then let the Bluetooth of the phone automatically connect to the dongle, then the Apple CarPlay is ready to go and comes straight up on the screen. So very, very easy, absolutely awesome. There we have it. Next up, we're going to use the exact same adapter into another car. This time, it's a car that's been fitted with an aftermarket stereo. It is a Sony doubled-in stereo, and this adapter worked completely no issues on this car as well. So again, we're going to plug in the USB adapter. We can hide that adapter away shortly, but for now, we'll switch the car on so that the stereo itself turns on. Okay, this time we're using an Android-based phone, and we've made sure that the dongle's plugged in, the stereo's turned on, and Wi-Fi here, we're selecting the network for the dongle. We've put the password in all the way, 12345678. We're able to see that these two will pair. Once they have paired, we want to jump over and make sure that the phone is always going to connect. You can do some of the other selections, but if you click always connect, as soon as you turn your car on, it'll automatically connect. Jump over to Bluetooth, make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on, and we'll wait for the Bluetooth to pair. Sometimes you might need to tap it a couple times, and with that happening, we're able to see the head unit is starting to get ready. So after a few more seconds, the phone automatically connected with the Wi-Fi side, and then both Wi-Fi, Bluetooth together, we have the Android Auto coming up for the first time. So this is absolutely a super handy dongle to have. It will really reduce the need for a USB cable needing to be plugged into the phone to get the Android Auto or Apple CarPlay working. So that means less clutter, less cables dangling around. You're able to just clean up the dash and use in this case, Android Auto exactly as normal. So there's no delays. We can see that the functions are all happening as usual. Super awesome to have, and very, very cheap indeed. As we know, it's only $30. However, with not only the discount that we've got, there's about a 10% discount code we'll put in the description of this video. You're able to save yourself 10% on this purchase as well. So every purchase using our code, which we'll link down below, FMG10, if you use that when you're purchasing this unit, you'll get that 10% off. And of course, there's a bit of a commission that will come to this channel, which will help us out. But if it saves you guys 10%, awesome. That's a bit of a win-win for everyone. So here we've just turned the stereo off completely, made sure that the Bluetooth has been completely disabled and Wi-Fi has been completely disabled. And then from there, we'll go and switch the car on. So in this case, we'll just see the my phone has connected to the Wi-Fi of the house. We're just going to turn the car on and then watch the stereo and my phone connect together automatically on their own. We're just going to go and enable the screen to power up to its normal main menu. And on this main menu here, we're able to show you guys that the phone here automatically jumps from the home Wi-Fi and automatically on its own connects to the dongle. So how epic is that? Watch this. After a few moments, automatically, without touching the phone or touching the stereo, it's connected to the Android Auto. So how epic is that? Nice and convenient. Every time you switch your car on, it turns on. And then when you switch your car off, the Android Auto, of course, turns off. So absolutely epic. If you guys have any questions about this product, feel free to comment them below. So starting a new review system, it's called the Will I Buy It for the Wife? In this case, I would buy it for the wife. If it's $30 normally, and then with the 10% off, you get it down to $27, that's absolutely epic. Thanks again, FBINSE, for sending us this product. It has a 3-year warranty and a lot of stuff that you guys can check out on their website. We'll put a link in the description below. And again, our discount code is FMG10, so that's FORD MERC GUY 10, and you get 10% off your purchase. So every purchase helps this channel out. We get a small commission. If you guys are getting a discount, great, winning. But other than that, guys, an absolutely awesome little item to have for your factory fitted Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. So that way you don't need to use any more cables and you're able to tuck this away out of sight and enjoy your car safely and with more convenience. As always, drive safe, take care. Cheers, guys, for checking out this video. Leave your comments below. We always love hearing from you all. Let's learn together, grow together, and we can't wait to check out the next video with you all.